Hello everyone. So welcome to this session on how to analyze a SimTest. I am Jaimin Shah, Head of Academics for UG Management Studies at IMS. Before we move on to how to analyze a SimTest, let's first understand what are the points that you should keep in mind while attempting the test. Very important is that there should be a proper environment while you are writing the test. You should not be very tired. You should be in a proper frame of mind while writing. While writing during the test, you need to make sure that the rough sheet that you use, you maintain that till the end so that will help you in analyzing the mock. And make sure that your steps, your working are neat and tidy so that you don't make calculation mistakes and you can go after the exam and see where exactly you went wrong and what are the corrective measures that need to be taken. So now let's move on to how to actually analyze a mock. After you have attempted a mock, you should analyze the mock within the first 24 to 48 hours of the test. That will help you in understanding where exactly you went wrong, because it would be fresh in your mind and that will help to make a plan of action. The first thing that you should do is go and analyze the question that you attempted correctly. Most of the students do not follow this because they assume that this question has been attempted correctly, why I need to analyze it. But remember that there might be a better approach for that question. So you need to learn that better approach and you need to make sure that you remember it for the exam day. Another thing, at times we are confused between two options and you mark one of the option and it goes correct. So you need to understand whether the question that you have got correct is actually right or it was maybe a luck factor. Now step 2, go to all the questions that went wrong and do the analysis for every question one by one. Identify whether that question was misread, it was miscalculated, or it was a misinterpretation due to which you attempted it wrong. Without seeing the solution, you should first try to attempt that question on your own and see if you are able to solve that question during the analysis phase. And that will help you to identify how many more marks you could have actually scored. So basically, if you have attempted one incorrect question, then it is not just matter of getting those plus 4 marks, rather it would be getting plus 5 marks because you attempted one incorrect that has got you minus 1. So ideally it would have been a matter of plus 5 and not plus 4. Now once you have solved all the wrong question, don't forget and watch the video solution, because again there might be a better approach for that particular question. Step 3, go on to all those questions that you skipped and identify what exactly was the reason that you skipped that question. Was it because of lack of time, or was it because it was not from your favorite area, or was it you misread the question and hence you were not able to get the answer? And make sure that you make a note of each and every category so that at the end we can figure out which were the reason, which was the most of the reason why you went wrong or why you skipped the question. Again, follow the same process. You solve all the question irrespective whether you know that topic or you do not know that topic. Give it a try and see how many questions you are able to solve it correctly. And again, don't forget to go and watch the video solution for a better approach. Step 4. The most important part after you have done the analysis is doing a SWOT analysis. You should know what are your strong and weak areas, what are the high speed, low speed question type, and what are the high accuracy, low accuracy question type. So you will divide all the question type, or rather the entire syllables, into 4 zones: high speed, high accuracy, high speed, low accuracy, low speed, low accuracy, and low speed, high accuracy. Now your objective should be to focus more on those question type where you have high speed but low accuracy. Your speed is high but your accuracy is low. So what you should be doing? Practice more of those question type. Make sure that you practice them with a lesser speed, slowly and calmly, but try to gain that accuracy. If right now you are getting 5 or 6 correct out of 10, probably in a month's time you should reach to a level where you are getting 7 or 8 correct out of 10. And then once the question type has moved into a low speed, high accuracy, now you know how to get them correct, how to get it accurate. Now try to improve your speed so that it eventually moves into a high speed, high accuracy zone. And then you should touch all those questions which falls into a low speed, low accuracy type. Now if the speed is very low and your accuracy is also low, it probably would mean that you are weak at those concepts. So practice them, revise the concept, revise the class exercise and the practice exercise. Try to move that slowly and gradually from a low speed, low accuracy to low speed, high accuracy. The moment it has, it moved to a low speed, high accuracy, then you should improve your speed to shift that into a high speed, high accuracy. Now, the most important thing after you have done the question-wise analysis is to do the overall sectional analysis, where you should go and analyze how much time you are spending on the question that you attempt correctly, on the question that you attempt wrong, and the question that you skip for every section. That will help you to understand how much time are you spending on a particular section, and are you missing out on some easy or a stutter question from the another section. Also, are you letting the LOD of a particular section to decide your overall score? What I mean by this is, if a particular section is difficult and by chance you start with that section, are you getting affected in the middle of the exam and screwing up the other 2 exams, so your overall score also goes down? You need to also figure out these few points after you have done the question-wise analysis. The most important thing is to remember that one swallow does not a summer make. I mean by that is, if you have scored very good in a particular mock, that does not mean that your performance has improved a lot. If you can have that consistency over the next few mocks, then you can assume that yes, you have improved and you are going in the right direction. And at the end, always remember Kaizen. That's basically, it's a process of continuous improvement. You should write the mock and analyze it for the continuous improvement. That's it from my side. Thank you so much. All the best. Let's stay connected on various social media platforms.